Unit 2, Lesson 4, Comparing and Ordering Rational Number Exercise. Question number 8. Find two rational number lying between. What? Find what? Two rational number. Note, he asked about two rational number, not one rational number. Okay. To find out two rational number between these two rational number, 2 over 3 and 5 over 6. Just we need to make it like a denominator. We find that 3 and 6, 6 is a multiple of 3. So I need to convert 6 and 6. It's the same denominator without any change. But 3 by 1 by 2 and 2 by 2 equal 4. Between 4 and 5 there is no integer. So I need to convert it to another rational number by times it by 2. Okay, 6 and 6 will be 12 and 12. 4 by 2, 5 by 2, what? 8 and 10. In between them will be 9 over 12, just 9 over 12, but he needs two fractions. So let's convert it. Times 2 times 2 equal 24. Okay, times 2 equals 16, times 2 equal 20. Now I can't find that between 16 and 20 there is three integer. So in between these two rational number I can say that 17 over 24 and 18 over 24. He needs just two rational number. I can make them three rational number. It's okay. Here we have 2 over 3 and 3 over 4. We can find that 4 and 3 there is not one multiple of the other. So and 3 is a prime number. I need to do 2 times them each other. 3 times 4 equal 12. Okay. 3 by 4, 2 by 4 equal 8. 4 by 3, 3 by 3 equal 9. There is no integer between 8 and 9. So multiply them. Okay. Make them 24 by 2. 9 by 2 equal 18. 8 by 2 equal 16. Between 16 and 18 there is just 17. 17 over 24 will be one rational number. We need two. Okay. So multiply them. 48 by 2. 24 by 2 equal 48. Okay. 16 by 2 equal 32. 18 by 2 equal 36. Now between 32 and 36 there is 33 and 34 and 35. So in between the two rational number we can write 33 over 48 and 34 over 48. If he asks us about three rational number I can also write 35 over 48. Between negative 3.7 and negative 3.8, between 7 and 8 there is no integer, but I can write them, put 0 in the hundredths place and here put 0 in the hundredths place. Now between 70 and 80, okay, there is 9 integer. Now between these two rational number I can find that negative 3.71 or negative 3.72. He asked about two rational number. I can also write negative 3.73, negative 3.74 and so on till negative 3.79. All this rational number is okay as a solution. Okay, what's the correct answer? Point 1, 3 over 5 and 2 over 7. I need to compare between them. Okay, to compare between them I need to like a denominator. 5 and 7 it's a prime numbers. So 5 times 7 it's 35. 35 and 35, right? Okay. 5 times 7, so 3 times 7 equal 21. 7 times 5, 2 times 5 equal 10. Now I can't find that 10 is greater than 21 in denominator. So here choose this sign. Point 2, negative 0.7 and 0.65. Please note that we have 7 tenths and 6 tenths. It's obvious. Okay. Point 3, negative 1/4 and negative 2/9. It's negative sign. Okay, and we have 4 and 9 and 1 and 2, 4 and 9 to find out, okay, the low common multiple, okay, and we can also times it by each other. 4 times 9 equal 36. Okay, 4 times 9 and 1 times 9 equal 9. 2 times 2, here we have 9 times 4. 2 times 4 equal 8. But here we have negative and negative. Without the negative, I will say that 8 or 9 is greater than 8. But with the negative sign, negative 8 is greater than negative 9. Negative 8 is greater than negative 9, so choose B. Okay. Point 4, 2 over 8 and half, or 0.5. 0.5 equal 1 over 2, right? Okay, 1 over 2, and here we can find that over 2 equal 1, over 2 equal 4. Oh, what's the biggest one? Half or fourth? Of course, half is greatest. Is lying between 3.14 and 3.2 tenths. It's easy. We can put 0 here. So we have 3.14 hundredths and 3.20 hundredths. Between 14 and 20 there is 15 and 16, 17, 18 and 19. Where? Yes, correct. Choose the number of rational number lying between 2 over 5 and negative 2 over what? Rational number between two rational number? Of course it's infinite. Of course it's infinite. But note that if he tells integer like 3 and negative 3, I can count them. We have here just 2, 1, 0, negative 1, negative 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 numbers between 3 and negative 3 as integer. But as rational number, there is infinite number. Here 2.8 greater than what? 2.8 is positive. 2.8 greater than, of course it's positive, greater than any negative. Negative 3.25 less than, not that, less than, of course 0, because 0 is greater than any negative rational number. The smallest number from the following is, he asked us about the smallest. What's the smallest? It's all positive. Okay. Now we have 3 decimal and 1 fraction. I can convert it to a decimal by 5 equal 10, by 5 equal 5, 5 over 10 equals 0.5, 5 tenths. Okay, what's the smallest one? Let's compare between the tens, please. 1, 3, 1, 5. Of course 5 is great, 3 is great. We have here 1 tenth and 1 tenth, but look at the hundredths place. 1 hundredths, 0 hundredths. It's the smallest one. The greatest number from the following is, what the greatest? Okay, let's try. We have fraction with unlike denominator. Please convert them to one, just one denominator, we can note that 12 is a multiple of 3 and 2 and 4. Convert it to 12. Convert all of them to the same denominator. 12 by 4 by 4 by 6 by 6 by 3 and by 3. He asked us about the greatest number. Like a denominator, يبقى the greatest numerator is the greatest number. The fraction with the greatest numerator is the greatest number. Okay? We have 1, 4, 6, 3. Of course, 6 over 12 is the greatest one. Now we reach to the end of the exercise of lesson 4 unit 2, and this is end of the exercise. Also it's end of lesson 4 unit 2, and thank you.